At the top of a Sonos page is a little icon with a head on it. Clicking this brings you into your account settings. Under account, there are messages, and you can see the messages that you have if you had any. These are messages from Sonos to you regarding sales, promotions, and information. You can choose whether those messages are push notifications or not. Under content services, you can see your preferred service. We can change that to Spotify. And you can see your connected services. And you can add a content service. You can see your account details, change your email, reset your password, or delete your account. You can also check your app preferences, like enable search history, allowing pop-up messages. You can also view the legal and privacy information, and lastly, from the account menu, you can sign out if you need to.